Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss phase 3. We are halfway through building our excellent business credit. Now, if you're new to tuning in and you're saying, I want to build excellent credit, first thing you need to do is to subscribe to my channel. And the second thing you need to do is go back to watch those last 3 videos. We want to pull our credit and we want to make sure at least 3 accounts from our first phase and 2 accounts from our second phase is actually showing up on our business credit. So when I say 2 accounts from our second phase, that means the UCC1 filing that we discussed. Because if it's not reporting, we can't move on until we get those accounts reporting on our business credit. Let's talk about fuel accounts. We are in business. We want to make sure that we're operating like a business. Most businesses use gas. It's important for you to apply for a gas credit card. These gas credit cards, it's easy to obtain. You just need to have other stuff on your credit. 3 vendors that you could go to open up a fuel card. That's BP. BP is everywhere. They do have credit cards out there that you could use. Sometimes if you actually use it at a BP station, you get fuel points and you build up fuel points. It's just like an added incentive for using their actual gas. Now, if they're not a gas BP around, of course you could use it. It's a credit card. You can use it anywhere. Shell is another good one. Shell actually incentivize you using it at a Shell gas station. They do have a cashback reward. Another fuel account is called Fuel Man. I will link all those in the description section. No, I'm not affiliate. I don't get any money. This is just to strategically set up your business credit. On these fuel accounts, we want to make sure that we're paying at least 15 days in advance. The whole purpose of us doing this is because we don't want an 80 score. We want a score above 80 because remember back in our introductory phase, 80 score means we just paid on time. Let's talk about our UCC1 filing that we initiated in our phase 1. Now, since we're in phase 3, we want to go back and amend our filing. We want to make sure that company B is reporting about company A. Company A is actually paying down this debt. So we want to amend our filing saying that this company paid another 30% of its debt. We want to make sure that the debt is reporting on the legal section and we mailed it to the credit reporting agencies, okay? In order for you to see if it's reporting correctly, you have to pull your credit report, okay? Your business credit report. And you don't want to do that more than twice a month. For a bonus, I'm going to tell you something that you can do if you have at least 6 vendors with credit lines reporting on your business credit report. Now, if you have this, I want you to do this, okay? Apply for these credit cards. Amazon, leave the personal guarantee blank, but put your Duns & Bradstreet and your EIN number in. Citibank, Best Buy, Home Depot, Pep Boys, Sam's Club, and the Tractor Supply Company. Amazon, they carry everything. Apply for their business credit card. Citibank, business credit card, leave the personal guarantee blank. Best Buy, you know that's an electronics store. They even carry appliances. Home Depot, I use Home Depot all the time. I even purchase some of my stuff through my business account, some personal stuff. So all these creditors actually report on your business credit report. We want a mixture. We're strategically building our credit card. So when you ask me, Chawanne, why do I need to apply for these? You don't need to apply for all of them. Just apply for one. You want one of them showing up. You want to pay your debt 15 days prior. So when we go to the bank and say, hey, I need a line of credit, it will be easy for them to extend it. Leave a comment, leave your questions. I am on the road to 25,000 subscribers. Hook a sister up. I know it's a big goal, but it's my goal. I am sending all my good to you. I will see you in the next video.